Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the access is denied problem in ZArchiver 2025. So if you cannot open, move or extract files, don't worry, I've got the 100% working solution for you. Let's get started. This problem usually happens after new Android updates or if ZArchiver doesn't have the right storage permissions. So you'll see an error like this: cannot access storage or access is denied. So to fix this, we just need to re-enable full access. First, you can just go to your phone settings and scroll until you find apps. This one. Find ZArchiver on the list. Click on permissions. And then here you just need to allow permission for the files and media and choose allow access to all files. So this will give ZArchiver full access to read and write in your internal storage. So make sure it's set to allow access to all files, not just media only. After that, you can open the ZArchiver again. And if it asks for access permission, you can just click on allow. And then you can go to the main menu, click on the three dots and find the storage asset access framework and enable it. And once enabled, you can just tap on main storage and select use this folder and allow. So this step ensures that ZArchiver can manage files in Android 13 and above. And you can now try opening or extracting a zip or OBB file. If it opens without errors, congratulations, you've successfully fixed the access issue. And if it's still not working, you can try clearing the cache. So I can go back to the settings again and find apps. ZArchiver and then storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Don't clear data unless necessary because it will remove your saved settings. And that's it. Your ZArchiver should now work perfectly again. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.